guys, caught a fish. Caught off this brand new jerkbait I just got. It's not very big, but I caught another one actually, but it got off as soon as I brought it to shore and it flopped back in the water. Here it is. It's not a bad one. Here it is. Here it goes. Hey guys, I was using my jerkbait and I'm so excited right now. Got my first ever crappie. It's a nice one. I was throwing this big old jerkbait and look at what took it. I mean, that crappie is a nice crappie, so that's a beautiful crappie. There we go. That's my first ever crappie, guys. I mean, you can't ask for anything better than this. That's my first ever crappie. Let's go release it in the shallows. There it is.